Alright, welcome back to another video. So we're continuing off from the last video a little bit. I just got the AN line hose separators, as you can see here. So these are from Aeroflow. These are billet AN line hose separators, and if you also want to get these for dash 4 to dash 6, it's the part number there on the back. So yeah, let's install these on the car and see how it looks. Right, so we're at the car now, so we're going to install these hose separators. Should look pretty cool. Right, so as you can see, we've now got an AN hose separator there and another one down here. So that'll keep the AN lines from touching each other, and yeah, it should be good. Alright, so we got the MX-5 out. As you can tell, the tune does need a bit of tidying up, but yeah, we'll sort that out soon enough. So I just got a few more parts arrived for it. So we got some new heater core hoses. These are the silicone heater core hoses from MX-5 Mania over in Australia. So we'll chuck those on at some point, but not right now. I'm going to order some of that fire sleeve stuff that I used on the oil feed line for this as well. I'll just get the same diameter that these hoses are, and we'll chuck some of that on those. And then also in these, we've got some DCN Performance hardtop brackets. So these replace the factory hardtop latches, so that's what we're going to do today. Stick these in right now. Alright, so we've got the hardtop brackets all unpacked from their packaging now. So these ones on this side, these are for the these are the side latches. These replace the side latches, and then these ones are for the front latches. And then we've got brand new hardware there for it. So we'll take them into the car now, and we'll start swapping out the old ones. Alright, so we're in the car right now. So these are the factory MX-5 hardtop latches on there, and then there's the ones that are behind the seats here. So as you can see, they have a little bit of play in them, and so what happens is when you're driving along, there's sometimes like a bit of vibration and wind noise coming from the hardtop. So putting these solid mount ones on should hopefully remedy that. And I don't take the hardtop off anyways, so there's not really any point having the quick release latches on anymore, so let's take them off. Alright, so you can see that we've now got the both the front brackets on. There's the one over that side, and then the one on this side. And already roof already feels way more stiff. Doesn't flex nearly as much as it was before, so that's definitely working already. So now we've just got to put the ones on the side. Alright, so that was the last hardtop bracket to install, so I've got all of them installed now. So if you have a look, hopefully you can see that. I've got that one installed on this side. I've got that one installed on that side. And we've got them installed on the front. So they are slotted, so they are adjustable. I think I'm going to have to adjust the front ones a little bit more just because there's quite a gap in the hardtop now, so that'll probably leak water, so I'm going to adjust those, but otherwise they fit pretty good, so yeah, all good. Alright, so that's it for this one. The hardtop brackets are all done. As you can tell, I ended up loosening them off a bit and readjusting them, so now the gap in between the hardtop and the car is a lot better now. So yeah, that's them all in there. I don't know how well you can see, it's a bit dark in here, but that's that. Alright, so in the last video I didn't really give much context of like what this car is and like what I'm doing with it. So this car is a 1989 Mazda MX-5 or Mazda Miata, depending on where you are in the world. In New Zealand they're an MX-5 or a Unos Roadster. We didn't get the Miatas. Miatas are only US models, but this is my car anyways. So with this one, what I've done to it is I've put a turbo on it, so Synco turbo manifold, GT 3371 turbo, just like a, I guess you'd call it an eBay turbo, but it's from a retailer in New Zealand. So it's got that, and then it's also got RX-8 injectors. It did have a mega squirt in it originally. I ended up taking that out. It made 180 horsepower at the wheels with 8 pounds of boost on the mega squirt. I ended up taking that out, and now it's got a Link G4X motor, Link G4X plug and play ECU on it. So it's also got a Link cam lander and also a AM wideband gauge and AM boost gauge, as well as a Link boost solenoid and all the other Link add-on parts. But yeah, so it's pretty basic in terms of modifications, I guess. Like, it's not basic, but it's like you could go way more overboard with it. Eventually, I do have a motor. It's in the corner here. Eventually, I do want to do forged rods and pistons and a boundary oil pump and completely refresh the motor, and I'll eventually chuck this in here. But this one's just a completely factory unopened motor in it at the moment. So yeah, that's that, and hope you guys are liking what you're seeing so far, and make sure you subscribe and like to the channel everything that you do is greatly appreciated. So we'll see you in the next one.